Thank you for reminding honorable members that this is a house of debate. This is a house where we use reason, not our strength, not our shouting, but we use logic to express ourselves. As I was saying, Honorable Speaker, the last few days, you've seen even the issues of border clashes.
Point of inquiry, Chila.
Mr. Speaker, I want to inquire if we are allowed to take videos when a member of the County Assembly is contributing in the chambers.
Yes. Kindly tell me who is taking the videos. Honorable Vetina, as I have said, because I will not allow this, and indeed, if it will be confirmed with me by a reasonable doubt that you have been taking the video, the consequences are there. So, and Honorable Ismail, it is the speaker speaking, and if Honorable Ismail, if I confirm from the Assad that you are taking the video, you will be expelled for 3 sittings from this house. Proceed. So Sergeant Adam, assist me to look around and get the behaviors of honorable members which are not acceptable in this house. Honorable Mari, proceed.